Hey friends, I want to talk to you about one of the most familiar passages in the Bible. Philippians 4:13. You all know it and you can quote it. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. But I want you to take a deeper look at that. What is the very first word in that passage? I. What is the very last word in that passage? Me. So I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So why do you put the blame on everybody else? Why are you looking for everybody else to help you? Why are you trying to get everybody to come around, like you, support you, when the Bible clearly states in this very familiar passage, you know you've had it on a bumper sticker, you had it on a t-shirt, but it talks about the power of what one person can do when they are living their life 100% consecrated, focused on the things of Jesus Christ. When we completely throw our life into the things that God has for us, it changes everything. But when the word says I is the very first word, I just said the key word in this is I. Now we know Christ is going to do his part. But the thing is, are you going to live out the prophetic words that you've already seen in your mind? Because we all have a hope. We all have a dream. We all have a purpose. And when we're in our times of prayer, we are believing for things. And you know, people say, oh, I'm just waiting on the Lord. I'm waiting on God. I'm waiting on the Holy Spirit to finally give me that final push. Well, he's given you 29 of those final pushes. I'm telling you, this is the time that you need to step up. And when I realized in my personal life that I'm powerful beyond my imagination, when my life is completely consecrated to Jesus Christ. You know, it says in Ephesians 6:10 in the Passion Translation that we are to stand strong in our life union with Jesus Christ and stand victorious in that because Christ wants to do a powerful work in us so he can do it through us. Whatever your prophetic word is, whatever your biggest dreams and aspirations are, I want to tell you today that you can accomplish every one of them. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Jesus Christ, which strengthens me. The first and the last word is all about me. It's all about you. Get your eyes off of everybody else. When you completely die to the flesh and live in the Spirit and keep your gaze, keep your eyes, keep your focus on Jesus Christ, you won't have time for anything else. No critics, no haters, no circumstance, no trials, tests, or tribulations. But you will completely focus on him. When you die to the flesh, fear is gone. Insecurities are gone. Iniquities are gone. When you focus on him, you can move forward. The key word in this is I. When you're ready, you can accomplish everything God said you could.